Large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. The National Weather Service in Norman has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Northwestern Grady County in central Oklahoma, Northeastern Caddo County in southwestern Oklahoma, Southwestern Canadian County in central Oklahoma, until 5:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4:48 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Cogar, moving east at 15 miles an hour. Expected hazards include golf ball size hail and 60 miles an hour wind gusts. This is a radar indicated threat. The following impacts are expected: people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include El Reno, Union City, Minco, Cogar, and Cedar Lake. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.